this is Gabe here. Today outside, we can hear like a lot of locusts. Well, I'm going to show you up in the sky here in a minute, so here you go, guys. The birds are like always swarming around. And of course, as you all know, my little brother, Hunter. Yeah, so we're doing this other video. Getting ready to go inside. I have school tomorrow. I'm in junior high, so yeah. He's in kindergarten. He calls the first grade, so yeah. So apparently you've seen the birds. And there's my cat, Reese's. Here. Hold on. So yeah. That's pretty much it, so, well, not always. Here's my kitty cat. Of course, that got done eating hot dogs. There's the other one, hold on. And he's right there. As you all can't see him if you can't.
My wiener just popped out.
He's a black cat. And as you all know, this is our house, our deck. And as you don't know, here you have a hornet's nest. So yeah. So that's bad. And my brother's gonna get stung, so if you all like to see that happen. So yeah. There's nothing really to do except show you the birds. My little kitty cat here, my brother. That's the mama. We don't know who's the dad is, so we don't know who's the dad. And that's the black cat. They just got done eating hot dogs. Hi, kitty. So yeah, I'll show you the birds again. Swarming around like heck. So yeah.
They're going over by our house. I don't know why they're so.
Brother says we're stupid. Hunter, hey, who put the float up on the deck? So yeah, we have a new pool. Well, we never had a pool, and since about a couple years we had it. But it's brand new to us, so I'm walking there right now, as you can